Jordan Power wants to make it clear he is not an anti-vaxxer.
I decided to get my first 2 vaccines because I didn't want to put my grandparents at risk or one of my best friends who's battling brain cancer right now.
But he's holding back on getting the booster, believing as a young, healthy person, his risk of serious illness is low.
I'm definitely a conscious person when it comes to really anything that I put into my body, especially something that I may not consider like natural right off the bat. But at the end of the day, like, I'm not a scientist, I'm not a doctor.
And he's not alone. Despite the urgency of many to get boosters, more than 500,000 people in BC have received an invite for a 3rd shot and have not responded. It's an issue across the country, and it's not just people questioning vaccines, says this scientist who educates people about them.
A lot of people are starting to feel again the fatigue and exhaustion of just dealing with COVID, and for that reason wanting to know why now they need to go get a 3rd dose.
Health officials urge people to get the booster to help prevent transmission and serious illness.
It's not just about getting through this wave. It's that booster dose we now think is going to give us protection for whatever comes next in this pandemic.
For those on board, there are mixed feelings about booster holdouts.
Well, I can understand why they feel that way, but I have no regrets at all that we went and got our 3rd dose. Just feel a little bit more protected.
To be polite, I wish they'd just go and get them.
It's something Jordan Powers admits he will likely do.
It's really just a matter of waiting and kind of seeing how things play out, and obviously if the government starts forcing people to take it, I don't really have much of a choice.
And as the pandemic carries on, officials hope more people will see the benefit of the booster. Renee Filipponi, CBC News, Vancouver.